Cal BHP UK, and strapped to the dyno today we've got one of our favourite bikes. It is of course the BMW R1250 GS. This is the adventure version, slightly bigger tank, but as far as the management and the fueling is concerned, it is pretty much the same as a standard GS. We're going to run it up on the dyno, do what we always do, and then we write a tune to make it fuel and ride perfectly, get rid of all that latency at the bottom end, get rid of the lean running at the bottom, just make it ride as BMW probably intended it to do so before they were strangled to death by Euro 5 emissions. Always a pleasure to do another 1250 GS on the dyno. We've done hundreds of these throughout the world. These bikes at 100% throttle don't need a huge amount of work. There's a few little small tweaks that we make to give you a small increase from 125 to 127 brake horsepower. Nothing really that you're going to notice too much, but we do make a few small tweaks to the timing, the throttle, and just ever so slightly to the fueling, but not a huge amount. They leave the factory pretty much set up ideally for wide open throttle. The big changes we make are 50% and below. You can see here at 50%, we've actually dropped the fueling from Lambda 1 to 13.2, and the bike's running 13.2 air fuel ratio throughout the rev range at 50% throttle openings. It does make for a slightly more linear power delivery, but what you really notice is the throttle response. As soon as you open the throttle, no matter where you are in the rev range, the bike just surges forward and gives you an instant throttle response. The biggest gains come at 25% throttle and below. Here you can see that we've dropped from Lambda 1 to 13.2, again throughout the rev range, and you can see the difference in the power delivery. The stock bike at 5.5 to 6.5, 7,000 RPM gives you a massive power drop, and the modified bike no longer does that. You get a really nice smooth parabola in comparison to the stock bike. These bikes, of course, are available on our ECU Flasher, so should you not be local to us anywhere in the world, we can post you one of our flashers out, you take a reading from your bike, send that file to us, and we modify it and send it back. Please do hit the like, subscribe, and the bell icon. We have so many projects in the pipeline, and it'd be great to keep you informed of them all.